And there we go. Okay, so we are at 111 Ledley. So cute little apartment with 3 bedrooms. Comes over to the market with a rental tax of 3,700. Located at the top of Ledley Street. So we can see right there San Francisco panoramic views. It has three split bedrooms and share yard. So we see hardwood floors through the unit, and that's the bathroom right here. And we see a tub. Then once again hardwood floors. This is another bedroom, and now we proceed and go downstairs so to see the other bedroom. So a really cute unit, definitely. So we see the other bedroom with closets right there, and that door goes into a share area to share if you need storage. So then there is some storage there. This is the share yard. So once again, we are at 1111 Ledley, apartment B. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to showing you this lovely place. Bye.